और इसका जो उड़ान नाम है वो उड़े आम नागरिक, उसमें से उड़ान शब्द बना है। और जैसा मैंने कहा, हवाई यात्रा में हवाई चप्पल वाला नजर आना चाहिए और सब उड़े सब जुड़े।
Key propeller of trade, tourism, and most importantly, building opportunities for socio-economic growth for any region is connectivity. उड़ान, उड़े देश का आम नागरिक. A scheme by Government of India under the National Civil Aviation Policy to promote that vital regional connectivity.
Udaan, that is Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik, is a unique scheme of Government of India. This scheme is being run jointly by the Ministry of Civil Aviation, the Airport Authority of India, various airlines and the state governments. All these stakeholders have come together and developed this unique scheme. This scheme makes air travel affordable. A common man can now travel in airplane at affordable rates.
The scheme which gives the regional connectivity and also the affordability for the common man to fly. This scheme will also envisage us on regional balanced growth and give a impetus to the tourism. This scheme, which was implemented in 2016, has shown remarkable achievement, and we have around 260 routes which have been operationalized.
ఇంతకుముందు మేము విజయవాడ వెళ్ళాలంటే 8 గంటలు 10 గంటలు ప్రయాణం చేయాల్సి వచ్చేది. పిల్లలతో చాలా ఇబ్బందిగా అనిపించేది. వెళ్ళినా కూడా సరిగ్గా ఎంజాయ్ చేయలేకపోయే వాళ్ళము. ఇప్పుడు మేము కనకదుర్గమ్మ టెంపుల్కి వెళ్తున్నాము. చాలా తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో మరియు తక్కువ సమయంలోనే మేము విజయవాడ చేరగలుగుతున్నందుకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. థ్యాంక్స్ టు ఉడాన్.
The cities like Tier 2 and Tier 3 are now getting connected with this Udaan scheme. A decade ago, traveling or going airborne from cities like Nanded and Latur was not possible. But with Udaan scheme today, everything is possible.
बराच खर्च लागतो आणि विमान प्रवास हा एवढा काही सोपा नसतो असं लोकांना वाटतं, पण ती गोष्ट एकदम चुकीची आहे. विमान प्रवास हा जास्त काही खर्चिक नाही आहे हे मला जेव्हा उडान स्कीम आली.
Since the launch in 2016, a good number of Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns across India have been connected, thereby extending accessibility, affordability and time benefits to domestic and international travelers.
From here, the connective flights are very more for international, for Hyderabad, Chennai, Vijayawada, and also for us locally, all the people also very fair to Huda scheme. Most of the people are want to regular to move a flight.
Going forward, Udaan seeks to connect unserved and underserved airports as well as making flying more affordable for the masses.
भारत सरकारी आ योजना उड़े देश का आम नागरिक आ योजना बहुत ही लाभान्वित हो रहा है मध्यम वर्ग का व्यापारी और आम नागरिक जो को सस्ती सुसस्ती दर मथे हवाई यात्रा आनंद ले रहा है और मध्यम वर्ग व्यापारी ने बहुत ही फायदो हो रहा है.
The regional air connectivity scheme has been a game changer for the aviation sector. Also, a strong air bridge between the emerging economic centers of the country.
उड़ान से ये बहुत उम्मीद रखा था कि बहुत अच्छा ये ट्रैवल है, और बस में बहुत जाने के लिए बहुत 7 आवर्स या 3-4 आवर्स या 6 आवर्स लग जाएगा, लेकिन इसमें उड़ान में अगर ये विद्यानगर से आप जाएंगे तो आपको तकरीबन 1 आवर में हम लोग पहुंच जाएंगे.
And we have very heartening stories under this scheme. If I say few of the example, the Vidyanagar flight of TrueJet, which is taking passengers from Bangalore as well as from Hyderabad, has helped the tourism in the area tremendously. I was told that in international ranking, because of the air connectivity, the Vidyanagar and the Hampi, which is a UNESCO heritage site, has got a tremendous ranking for visit of the foreign tourists.